Yahoo!
From more than 400 nominations, we've narrowed it down to 7 modern-day heroes. I am Jason Dumantay, and let's now honor the Yahoo Philippines Pitong Pinoy.
We thought that Yahoo can do more by recognizing more modern-day heroes, and we used very simple criteria like they should be inventive, they should be innovative, and the most important criteria was they have to have very strong impact in the community. August 30, they decided that this was a time when our fellow Filipinos at the time tore the cedulas and declared independence. But today, we're not declaring independence. We're trying to declare that the Filipinos who are with us right now would inspire us more, and hopefully we will find more of them in the next year.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Yahoo modern day hero, Mr. Alexis Belonio.
Sa akin kasi i-share, parang calling ba? Na once ma-share mo, parang naliligayahan ka. And the more I share the technology, the more na dumadami nga.
Sir, ano pong feeling nyo na marami po kayong natulungan sa invention po ninyo?
Of course, masaya kasi iba yung feeling nung nakakatulong.
Sir, marami pong Pilipino ngayon ang talaga ipinagmamalaki ang ingenuity nyo po sa paggawa ng rice husk gasifier stove. Ano po yung advice o mensahe na ibibigay nyo sa amin para makapagbigay kami ng contribution sa bayan natin?
Yung technology ng stove, available yon, free of charge sa lahat ng interesado. So kung madidisseminate na info at makaka-avail lahat, mas maigi kasi mas marami tayong matutulungan.
Our next awardee, Miss Jean Enriquez.
Mahalaga ang dangal para sa lahat ng mamamayan, hindi lang ang mga kababaihan. Lalo't sa ating lipunan ngayon ay ito yung gusto nating ipaglaban, hindi yung sariling interes, kundi yung dangal, yung puri na ating ipamamana sa ating mga anak.
Earlier, you talked about human trafficking. The fight against human trafficking is not yet over.
I don't think it's going to be resolved in my lifetime, but we are counting our victories. I'm very happy that there are numerous young men who have been converted and they are now saying no to all forms of sexual violence by pushing for laws such as the anti-prostitution bill that will decriminalize the victims but criminalize the business who profit on the wounded bodies of women and children.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jay Haboneta.
I stand before you today, not as Jay Haboneta, but I believe the face of the brave kids all over the country who struggle to go to school every day. Our philosophy at the Philippine Funds for Little Kids can best be summed up by this quote I received 2 weeks ago. The great thing a little lamp can do, which the big sun cannot do, is give light at night. It shows us that no one is superior by size, but by purpose.
You have a new project in Masbate. Can you tell us more about it? And how can we get involved? How can we help in this project?
Patuloy po yung projects namin. Kaya nga naging Philippine Funds for Little Kids siya. You can help po by visiting facebook.com/philippine.funds at doon po makikita ninyo kung paano yung mga ginagawa namin at paano kayo makakatulong. But basically po, doon sa Mababoy, Masbate, same thing siya sa Layag-Layag sa Zamboanga City. Meron din po mga batang naglalangoy going to school. So we also provided boats, and then now we're also helping the community sa livelihood nila at saka sa mga health problems nila.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome
Mr. Tomas Leonor.
Adventure is something that should be experienced by everyone. But I choose to have those adventures to help others because step one is a dream come true for me. When we plant seeds in the hearts of these young people, young Filipinos, we are 100% sure that we will harvest more goodness, more greatness in the futures that would come.
Your next expedition will lead you to the Mindanao. Tell us more about it, sir.
I'm planning to walk early next year, maybe January or February. I'll be walking from Surigao to Zamboanga City. That's almost 2,500 kilometers. It will take me around 2.5 months to do that. The beneficiary for next year is still PCMC, Philippine Children's Medical Center.
Miss Ana Oposa.
I hope this recognition, more than anything, brings to light that we live in the world center of marine biodiversity, but also at the center of marine adversity. At sana po magtulong-tulong tayong lahat na protektahan ang ating karagatan at ang ating lupang sinilangan. If the people will lead, the leaders will follow.
What are your next projects for the environment?
Just a couple of days ago, I submitted a letter to the Department of Agriculture asking for an FAO, a Fisheries Administrative Order, to protect thresher sharks. Thresher sharks are very valuable to ecotourism, and right now we don't have any laws that protect these species. So I took the initiative to write a law. I wrote a law based on a lot of help from people who are with me in this movement. And then, of course, we have an anti-shark finning campaign going on, and in the coming months, we'll be building more marine protected areas in the Visayan Sea.
Miss Charina Saniel, ladies and gentlemen.
I know that God did not make a mistake when He created us to be Filipinos. It takes courage to leave this country, but it takes more courage to stay and stick it out.
What does this award mean to you?
This is a validation of a lifelong advocacy of promoting love of country. I am a patriot. That love of country has never died down, and still I would want to encourage my fellow Filipinos to stay and to have hope. Huwag kayong mawalang ng pag-asa sa bayang ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Heidi Mendoza.
I hope I can tell the whole world, we fought corruption, we risked our life. We gave up all comforts and the prospect of living a very convenient life, simply because I wanted to raise and gain back the respect to ordinary public employee.
What can we learn from your example? What message do you want to impart to everyone in the Philippines?
Uulitin ko po ulit yung sinabi ko dati, hindi pwedeng mangarap ng isang pamahalaan na malinis at tapat na wala tayong iaambag.
Kasama ko po ngayon si Alden and Luis ng Twin Hearts. Guys, since we're talking about heroes now, sino pa sa inyo ang maituturing nyo mga makabagong bayani?
Para sa akin, yung magsisilbing inspirasyon para sa kabataan. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na madami ng pagbabago. Kailangan namin ng parang gabay para maging tama ulit, para hindi naman malihis yung landas namin.
Siyempre, hindi pa rin magbabago yung OFWs, of course. Kasi parang sila yung mga naghihirap para matulungan ng kanilang pamilya, pumupunta sa abroad.
What advice can you give to kids out there who may want to be a modern day hero?
Well, always think about yourself before you help anybody else, and always have fun with it, and you should always dream big.
For more info on the awardees, just visit the Yahoo Philippines Pitong Pinoy page. I am Jason Damantay from Yahoo Southeast Asia.